Welcome back to Mac's Garage, and today we're working on the Camaro. I have a really big surprise for you guys. I got my new lights, of course. So what goes good with some LED lights? How about some more LED lights from Glowe Industries. So I have a really good friend. He just started making some LED lights, and by far they're some of the best on the market right now. I have some clips here of some cars that he's done already, his own, a couple of friends, so here you go. If you are interested in getting your own set of Glowe LED strips like I have on my car, they have plenty of different kits you can buy. In my description, I do have a link to it. Do reach out, just let them know Mac sent you. And here's the link just to kind of see the website. So today I'll be installing a basic kit for the Camaro. So these four are the wheel well strips. These are the front and back, and these are the side strips. So this is a basic kit that you would get if you did order a set from Glowe, and we are looking at the install right now. So I'll plug some of these in so you can kind of see what they look like. And also he did send me some of these heat shrink with the solder in them. They're really nice. A bunch of more clips, some mounting tabs, really nice stuff, and a whole bunch of wire to make sure that I get around the whole car. I do plan on doing more. I want to be able to control this stuff, do different colors and stuff like that. So let's kind of plug this in and see what it looks like. I'm kind of excited. If you see what he's done on his car, I wish he lived a little closer. He's in Oklahoma City. He's been asking me to send my car up there just to drop it off. He would just go hog wild on it, like the videos you've seen on his. So let's kind of plug this in and see how nice they are. I mean, it's a really good quality. I don't know if you see this, but these are sheathings that he put over them so weather won't get to them. These are really made for outside the car, and just really high quality. Even these are custom made LED strips, so these aren't just normal ones that you can buy off the shelf. You see his branding right here as well. Anywho, let's hook some power to it and see what it looks like. Okay, I hooked it up on my little workbench and I saw that they all work. They look amazing. I'm not going to share that with you. You're going to see the after effect. Something I do want to share with you guys on how easy this is to install. These have connectors on each end. They plug right in. Got plenty of wire and connectors to hook everything up. I got also on the LED strips, there's not only is his name on there, but there's an arrow pointing in the direction this goes. So basically this is going to go around in a circle, and you kind of want to hook it up that way. So I'll put a little diagram in here so you can kind of see it, but it starts with the front strip and goes around the car. So these are the wheel wells, front strip, so on and so forth. You got the side strips here. Just kind of laying it all out to where I want it. And now it's looking about where we're going to mount it underneath. So I'll start doing that now. Okay, so these are like the mounting strips. Really nice that they provide those. You see there's like little holes underneath there. Those are for the zip ties. I found a nice little area underneath here. Okay, so there's like a little ledge underneath here that I'm going to mount to. It's straight, it's flat, be easy. Now I need to clean that area so we can mount it and not have to worry about the thing falling off. Okay, so just giving you an idea, you can't really see it out here, not until you get underneath it. We got our first strip done for our wheel well. None of the wires hooked up yet, so we're going to mount it all first, and then hook up all the wiring. I've already pre-tested everything prior to putting it in here. So anyway, let's get the rest of it done. Okay, now that we have the LEDs mounted to the car, and now it's all about the wiring to connect the whole system. I'm gonna make it completely something I can add on to later. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these little connector tabs on at the end of these extension wires. He gave me all this stuff extra. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure out the wire, cut it, put the ends on, so I can quickly just add or subtract any additional LEDs if I want to add more later on. So that's what I'll be doing here. So I'll show you the end result. I mean, it's just a bunch of cutting wire and measuring out from, let's say, the wheel well to the front or to the sides. You know how it goes. Anyway, you saw the diagram. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now and show you the aftermath and make sure it's all cleaned up and installed correctly. All right, bye. All right, I just wanted to share with you one of the connectors on what they kind of look like. One plug in here, the other type on this end, and we have our soldering connection again. You could just solder the wire directly to the end point, but I want to be able to add stuff to it later on if I wanted to. Just gives me some options. So anyway, it's kind of like what a connector is going to look like, and then we'll cinch it up underneath and tie the wires down, so no risk of them falling down or sagging or any of that stuff. And make sure you use rubber grommets if you're going through metal. You don't want them to arc on the frame and toast your stuff. Anyway, so I only have two more of these to do, and then I'll hook up the power part and I'll show you that part. So good news, Camaro is doing a thing. I'm gonna kill that light. So we'll put a grandiose show on here in a second, but just want to let you know that we got it working. These are some bright lights, man. But we can have it go to music. We can have it do different scenarios here. Connected. Okay. So if I want to just do one color, I can just pick one color. Just a solid red. Or green. Blue. I like blue. White. It's kind of cool. We can do like an auto. And we can also do to music. Hello. Oh, there we go. Ah, it goes to my voice. Eat it.
Nice.
Eat it.
Eat it.
Mustangs, you know, do that one thing. This do. And there's different modes for it and everything. It's kind of cool. And you can hook it up to your aux inside your car. They give you a thing for it. But let's just go back to normal strobe. And there's like a lot of different options. You can make it go faster, slower. Do different type of effects.
Yeah.
So it kind of builds up. This is a real gradual shift. All right, I have some good news for you. Update on the LED lights on the car. So you guys probably never seen this in this car anyway. Center console is in, and I have mounted the box and put in my toggle switch. Now, I don't have this toggle switch mounted yet because I'm missing this panel and I want to hook it up here. So the switch will be right here, so I can just hit it whenever I want. This is hooked up to straight power, so the car accessory doesn't have to be on for those days that I'm in a car show or something. I don't want my accessories on. To just kind of hit this on. Blue light. LEDs. So off, no light. Anyway, I got the center console all the way in. I'm noticing that this piece right here is garbage. I need to replace it. So I'll get one of those. And the Glowe Industries master box. It's almost like there was a location made for this car to have it. I don't know if you can see it. But it's behind there. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. Anyway, I have a Velcroed in there, and it looks actually really good in there. It's mounted, has power, all that good stuff. I also got the under panel done, and I'm just kind of cleaning up the car, getting to where I need to be. So things I still need for this car, like to get that center console shift plate redone. This is ones you can get with like cup holders in them and stuff. I may just go that route. I have my switches hooked up correctly instead of having just all wires there. This little lid's kind of crap. I want to replace it. It's been heat damaged. It's all flared out. Alright, this concludes this video. Thank you, Seth from Glowe Industries, for your contribution to this. And to all my fans out there, have a happy holiday. And stay safe. Until next time, guys. Have a good one. Bye.